Hello, Davida here. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am still experimenting with the cloud pour, and I have something to show you. Excuse the beginning of the video. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Thank goodness I looked up. But the only thing that wasn't captured was I did a puddle pour in the center, and then I poured the black Artist Loft paint in like a star. And then you saw where the little legs were just kind of going all over the place. I wasn't intending on covering the whole thing in black, but that's just how the paint moved. But do you see this? This. Okay. I'm going to list my paints. No, I'm not. Because you know what? I just threw some paint in the cup. Seriously. But I did do a run test. So you can see how much faster the white ran than the black. So the white was super duper thin, and the black, I mixed it that it actually left the teeniest little mound. I mean, and you know what? You can't see it in the cup. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see if I can show you. Let's see if I can let me get some light in it. And let's see. Get it in the camera. Okay. Let's see if it'll show you. I mean, the teeniest, teeny tiny little mound. I hope it's capturing something. Okay, so that's what I did. I mixed the paint, the white, using my normal recipe. Actually, I used Melly D's recipe. Her recipe is 50-50. So she uses Flow Acrylics white. I don't have any Flow Acrylics white, but I have house paint. So I used my house paint, the Walmart Color Place, and I did 50% that and 50% of, I don't have any satin enamels. You know, the one in a little white. I don't have any more of this. So I went to the store today and I bought Bahr Interior Satin Enamel. And I used 50% of this and 50% of the white paint. I didn't put any GAC in it, but I did put a squirt of Liquitex and water. And it was a very thin consistency, as you can see how fast it ran. I know I'm doing this all backwards. It wasn't my intention. I was just so excited. The black I mixed was 1 ounce of Artist Loft Black, 1 ounce of Liquitex, and I used about 1 ounce, 1.5 ounce of water. So 1.5 ounce of water. Because I wanted to see if it left a little bit of a mound, if it was that much thicker, what reaction I would get. And you can see that right there. All over, everywhere the black was, except for right in the middle, I poured off all the black. And this is what I got. Okay. Like I said, I'm sorry this is backwards. Normally I talk first and yada yada this and yada yada that. But I was just so excited when I saw that happening. I had to get on and say something. I want to wish you all a good day. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye. I'm so crazy.